And the charge lasts about 2 hours, so
Phone issues.
you ready?
Yep.
Alright.
You got a nice place.
Yeah, they do. Hold on. Let me see. Yep, okay. We're good.
This is just saying basically you have to be clipped up at all times to the safety lines. These lines with red tape around them, they'll be all over the place, like on the ladders, around the trees, up on the platform. And it's better to have 2 on at a time if you don't really do.
Slide it down. Push.
Practice.
Yeah, he handed the thing to Dawn, so I'm gonna go ahead of you guys. Probably if she's taking pictures too. And just remember they go like that. All right.
Say hi, Hannah.
Unzip.
For sure, don't get tangled down. There you go.
This is scary.
Yep. Supposed to be. Put them on the trolley. Put your hand on there. Put your gloved hand behind. Nope. There you go. You had it right. Nope. There you go. There you go. Now sit down.
Zipping.
Put your legs out. You're perfect. Perfect. Good.
Nice. You got it. And then you'll just stand up and be on that side. There, yeah, just duck underneath there. There you go. Good. And then we'll just attach you to this line right here. And then you can walk around and go up the ladder, and I'll be up there in a second. It should be better now that you got through the first one.
I was scared of it. I'm scared too.
Well, last tour there was a woman who she was so afraid of heights she could barely go up a ladder, but she was doing it for her son. So
Oh man.
yeah, she like every time she came into a platform, she's like,
I don't like hanging from the air.
yeah, you won't go anywhere.
Well, that's not that bad. And I don't like heights, but...
She's up here. She has both of them hooked on. You're supposed to. Only supposed to keep one on. Ow. Sorry.
That's better to have 2 on, but you only need 1. Start pulling down this rope.
I will. Yes,
You don't
those
want to
bridges.
get stuck on this one. Yeah,
First
after
bridges.
that's the first bridges. They're fun.
Shaking this thing.
Yeah, don't do that.
People are shaking it. Zipping. Unzip.
Hold on. There you go. Make sure you don't break too much. There you go. Perfect.
Alright, you gotta turn around. Just pull her, there you go, just like that. And when you're close enough, I'll grab your hand and pull you in. It's fine. Alright, reach out for my hand. I'll get you. There you go. Stand up. There you go. And then you put it right there.
I think the X's were harder.
Zip away.
Wait, oh, I can do that. All on my own. You go, girl. My daughter. I can't do the eye pose. I can't do that. I thought the X was harder. That's fine. I zoomed across the X. I zoomed across the X.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to duck under here so I don't have to be Well, I think this one, like, kind of goes, like, wiggly more than this. It's on the rope. Yeah. I don't want to fall on that girl below me. Okay, look, my hips are too wide. Hold on to these.
You're good.
It sort of stabilizes.
This is scary. Scary.
And then, yeah, just write what's on your arm. Put it right on there.
You got the camera on, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Scary spot, though. You wouldn't think about moving. I like tubing better.
Woo! Woo! Scary to do. Whoa.
Got it. This is like a great obstacle course. I think she would be enjoying this and scared.
Whoa, get away. And it's a playground.
Are both of your safety gear on that line, Riley?
Yep.
Alright.
Okay. The trolley. Wait, what did I say? I forget what I do. What I'm supposed to say.
What?
Unzip. Oh. Unzip! Then you say zipping. I know.
Oh, look at that.
I know.
Bridge.
That's the 17,
And
16.
you don't get to grab on anything except what's on top of you.
Okay.
Deep breath and go.
That'll be funny.
There you go. Just go. There you go. Perfect.
sorry that I have to wait for a while.
No, that's alright. Zip on! Lift yourself up! Oh. Okay, turn around. There you go. Zip away.
Are we allowed to hold on to the back? Are we allowed to hold on to the back?
Yeah, you can hold on wherever you feel comfortable. Yeah, no, people look at the glove like.
Very carefully.
Yeah.
With a lot of study.
Ah! This thing is
How you doing, Anna?
good. No, there's. Another zip line. Okay.
Stick your feet out just like you're dancing. There you go. There you go.
Hold yourself there. Don't go back out. Alright, turn around and I'll come out. This one's hard to pull yourself in on. Yeah, just start. There you go. Once you get close enough, I'll grab you. Alright, reach out. There we go.
Sorry if I take too long.
Oh, no, it's fine. That's what I'm here for. And then you want to, yeah, okay. I didn't know if you were going to take everything off first.